Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can make your taskbar transparent. Okay, transparent taskbar. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, let's do it. So first of all, go to start bar and search here Microsoft Store. Okay, so open the Microsoft Store and search here Translu Translucent TB and enter. You can see the first icon, first application here. Open the first application and click on get. Okay, and now you can see my taskbar is transparented. Okay, so my taskbar is transparent now. Okay, so you can see the taskbar is transparent. Okay, and also you can edit some settings from here. Continue. Okay, you can edit some head setting from here, like see open to boot, open at boot. Okay, and visual clear. Okay, you can select any color if you want to. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.